Hi everyone, today I got this package from zcube and in there should be some new cubes, including some of the latest MoU puzzles like the mini AoSu and the how's it called, the 5x5? HuaChuang. I think it's called the HuaChuang. We'll see it in a second. Open up the box, and here they are. So, yes, right off the bat, there is the first cube, and it's called the HuaChuang. So new MoU 5x5. Then what is next? I ordered the HuaChuang. I already have one of those as a stickerless cube, and since stickerless cubes are not allowed in competition, I now get a white one, because I really like this cube and I get good times on it, so yeah, I decided to get a competition legal one. Then here are some black puzzles, and since they are black, they are for my girlfriend. Yes, I do have a girlfriend and she recently got into cubing as well. So, and after using my cubes for quite some time, she finally decided to get her own. And yeah, this is a HuaChuang. I don't know why she got all of her cubes in black. I usually only use white, so maybe she'll pick up black to get the contrast to me. I don't know. But HuaChuang out for quite some time now. I got one for me as well, of course in white. I don't have it by now, and it's really cheap, but heard nothing but good things about it, so decided to get one. And yeah, this one is for me and this is for my girlfriend. And then she ordered a Cyclone Boys 4x4. Can't get it out of the box. This seems to be a new 4x4 made by Cyclone Boys. They already had one like a year or so before, and that was only available in stickerless, and now this one is black. Turning out of the box seems to be quite nice. Yeah, I've seen some picture of the mechanism and they looked better than the Shengsha, and the price is about the same, so I recommended her to get this one. And yeah. Oh, I haven't opened up the HuaChuang to get a little quick impression. Just as an information, I may do full reviews on some of the cubes I unboxed here. Yeah. Holy. I can already feel that this is going to be my main over the HuaChuang. Hopefully they reduced this. Here is the HuaChuang those nasty lockups, and yeah, I see. Then I got a mirror blocks 2x2, just nice for the collection. Another white trick 1 long, yeah, they were so cheap. And this is called the Yin Xia. Always so hard to pronounce those Chinese names, but it's the Moyu Pyraminx. I'm not that much into Pyraminx, and I like my Shengshao, but yeah, after 2 years or so, I decided to try out a new Pyraminx, and wow. Definitely has to be the potential as well to get my new main. Here is my Shengshao. Yeah. Right now it feels that it's going to be a little better than the Shengshao. Oh, I messed up. Here we have it. But yeah, I have to do some solves on it, get used to it, and so to decide. Then, next puzzle I'm excited about. Oh gosh, this. Why do they make their boxes so cube fitting? Or is it just because they do wrap it in some extra plastic, or I don't know, bit annoying, but I got it out. And here you have it. Right off the back, size comparison, yeah, not too much different, but holding in my hands, it really feels smaller and seems to have the same performance. A little dry of course now, but with some looping and break it in, I guess will be my new main. So many new mains. What else do we have? Not that many puzzles left. This is a Shengshao Aurora 2x2 for my girlfriend. Recommend it as a good 2x2 cube for beginner. I have one in white, but I don't use it. I have my Dion, but yeah, Dion cube is by far the best in my opinion, but it is like 3 or 4 times higher in price. So, and for really beginners, like time to solve a half a minute or so, it doesn't make that much difference. So you got the Shengshao Aurora. Then we have another Guanlong. What is this? Oh yeah, kinda. That's for me. Looks cool. Funky 3x3. This weird rounded shape. Turns pretty nice, but of course it's not a speed cube, so just for the collection. And then in here there are 2 more puzzles that my girlfriend ordered. One mini Cyclone Boys, I guess it's 3 centi or 4. No, no, this one is 3. So this is 40 millimeters. Not too great at the moment, but maybe looping a bit. You can use it to speed solve. And 30 millimeter. Wow, this cube turns so smooth. But yeah, just as collection, it's from with Eden. You can see here the logo. And the rest is just packaging, some bags, and yeah, that's it. A lot of cubes. This one I haven't opened yet. It's a Cyclone Boys, but I don't know actually what it really is. Maybe I ordered it because it was cheap, or I want to try a competition legal Cyclone Boys, or whatever. I'll have to look it up. But yeah, that was the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll make some reviews and or good solve average videos on some of the cubes, and stay tuned for that. And yeah, again, thanks for watching, and bye.